Pedro's cough.
It is a school day. A school day. Peppa and her friends are having a music lesson.
Ooh, Miss Polly had it. Miss Polly had a doll.
Oh no, not again.
Pedro has a cough.
Oh, really?
Not to worry, I'll ring Dr. Brown Bear.
Dr. Brown Bear speaking.
No!
Don't panic. I'll come straight away. What seems to be the problem?
I've got a cough.
I see. Is it a tickly cough or a chesty cough?
What the Sigma?
No, 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 oh, no, 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 oh, no, 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 oh, no, oh, no, oh.
Dr. Brown Bear speaking.
Hello, doctor. This is Madame Gazelle.
No.
I am the one your son don't need a gun to get.
I don't know, but it goes like this.
Nice.
And when did you get this cough?
When Madame Gazelle started singing.
It's
Your fault.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
But Pedro's cough may be catching.
What do you mean, catching?
When one person has a cough, sometimes other people get that cough too.
Do I need medicine?
Just a little spoonful. I'm afraid it doesn't taste very nice.
Womp womp.
It tastes like...
Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear.
Goodbye.
Bye!
Aw, man.
Pedro's cough is catching.
Bro, who got you smiling like that? Like...
Danny Dog and Susie Sheep have caught Pedro's cough.
Open wide.
Ugh! It tastes of flavoured yoghurt. It tastes of...
Disgusting!
Womp womp.
Well done for taking your medicine so well.
Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear?
Nope. I'm never ill.
Why you always lying?
I eat an apple a day. Goodbye.
Bye!
Avengers!
Assemble.
I've got a cough. Dr. Brown Bear came and looked after us. He gave us horrible medicine.
We do not care.
Madame Gazelle, can you sing your song now?
No!
Of course, Peppa. Ooh, Miss Polly had...
Oh dear.
I think I have superpowers.
This is Peppa Pig. Madame Gazelle said superpowers.
Not to worry, Peppa. I'm on my way. Pedro's cough, have we? No! Very well. Stand in line and open wide. Oh.
Ew. It tastes like custard and old socks.
Womp womp.